Software Spring. Presence. How to change text size in Windows. Hello and welcome to this video. Let's find out how to increase or decrease the text size in Windows. Ready? Let's get started. Click Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Click Display. If you want to change the size of text and icons, use one of these options. I want the text and icons to display with a size double their present size. So, I will click the extra large radio button. Click Apply. For this change to take immediate effect, I will have to sign out and sign in again. Save all your work, and close the applications, before you click Sign Out Now. After signing in again. OK, the text and icons readability is better at 200%. How to choose a custom text size. Let's go back to the screen, where we can change the text size. Click Control Panel again. Click Hardware and Sound. And Display. Alright, we are back at the screen, which allows to change the text size. If you want the text and icons to display at more than 250% of their present size, click the Custom Sizing options. Click this down arrow. Here's an important point you've to keep in mind. If you increase the size to a value near the maximum, or the maximum itself, you might have to put in a bit of effort to change to a lower value, because the content display may be erratic. I will leave the size of text at the present value, so I will click Cancel. How to change only the text size. Is it possible to change only the size of text on specific items like title bars, menus or message boxes? It's possible. Use the option below the Change Only the Text Size heading. Click this down arrow. And choose an item. I will increase the text on title bars to say 14 points. And I will also use the bold style. Click Apply. Here it is, the title in a bigger size, and in bold style. That's it, folks. You can increase or decrease the size of text and icons in a few simple steps. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.